how to customize your feed on Wix Blogs. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to customize your feed on your Wix blog page. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to choose the website that we want to work with. For example, I'm going to work with this website. I'm going to click on select and edit site. Once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be very easy. We're going to wait for a dashboard to load up just like that, and we're going to make sure that we have at least some blog content. In any case that you are not going to see the blog mentioned here, that means that it is not added yet to your website. How we can solve this problem and add it, it is going to be very easy. Head over the apps, click on App Market, and then we're going to click on the search bar, type in Wix Blog. We're going to find this, click on it, and it is going to be the case right there. All you need to do here is to install it, and then you're going to be congratulated of installing the blog. And now, once you have did that, click on blog and head over to the posts. So we can go ahead and create the posts. As you can see, I have added some example posts, not some real posts. You can go ahead and have them just like that. Generate some automatic or some AI, let's say, content for it, add it, modify it, or edit it, and also personalize it just like that. So as you can see, this is a post that I have added. Now I have added a lot, maybe 3 or 4, I don't know, so I'm going to leave those. Now once we have did that, we're going to head over the home page and click on edit page or edit site. Once you have did that, it is going to open up the website editor, which is going to be resembling like that. Head over to the left side of the screen, click on pages and menu, and then we are going to search for blog pages. Click on blog pages. I'm not going to select the post, but the blog. We're going to click on blog, and it is going to show up everything about the blog. So these are going to be the content, just like that. Now, how we can customize it? Basically, you can go ahead and customize, for example, the header by managing the categories. For example, it is going to open up the dashboard. Also, you can go ahead and change the header layout by setting up, as you can see, this is a tag cloud, I think. This is going to be the categories. You can set up the display for all posts. You can set up the category for alignment, for example, to the left, right, or center. And as you can see, you can set up the image position and also the height and the top and bottom padding. Now, that was only for the header. Now, for the whole section, you can go ahead and click on settings, and then you're going to find all the settings about this section. So for display, you can go ahead and choose if you're going to show or hide some of the elements. As you can see, we have the writer name, the image, publish date, and etc. You can tick or untick something to hide it if you're going to untick. So as you can see, this is for the display. You can choose to show blog menu, category menu labels, and search box. And do not forget that we have the social sharing buttons at the end of the, let's say here, blogs or the blog content. Now moving on to the layout, you can go ahead and customize the layout of all the post feed or the category feed only. You can go ahead and put the posts, for example, as the layout. I'm going to apply this on the, as you can see here, the post feed. I can make it as a editorial like that, or I can go ahead and put it as a tiled, so something like that. And we can put as a magazine, full post, one column, and whatever. You can select the alignment of the text, the layout settings to fit to the screen or set post per row, the post size, the margins, and everything is going to be here. Now, finally, for design, you can go ahead and navigate through the navigation and design it, for example, like that, about the font styles and colors, the transparency of it, the post itself of the posts, and everything is going to be set up. So basically, it is going to be also, everything is going to be accumulated in this design, as you can see, item, and here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.